In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to embed ClickUp inside Notion step by step, so you can manage your tasks, projects, and workflows all in one place. This is perfect if you use ClickUp for task management and Notion for documentation, planning, or dashboards, and you want everything connected in a single workspace. By the end of this video, you'll have ClickUp fully embedded inside Notion and working smoothly. If you find this tutorial helpful, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more Notion and productivity tutorials. All right, let's jump right in. First, open Notion and go to the workspace where you want to embed ClickUp. Start by clicking on New Page. This will create a fresh page where we'll set everything up. You can give this page a name like ClickUp Dashboard or ClickUp Tasks so it's easy to find later. Once the new page is created, click inside the page and select New Database. This step helps you create a structured area where you can organize embedded tools and content. After creating the database, click on the highlighted area at the top to open its options. From here, click on Copy Link. This copies the page or database link, which is useful if you want to reference or reuse it later. Now, go back and click on New Page again. This second page will be where we actually embed ClickUp. Inside this new page, click on the highlighted area and start typing Database. From the menu that appears, click on New Database again. This ensures Notion is ready to accept embedded content. Next, click on the highlighted area once more and type the @ symbol, followed by Embed. If you see an option that says Embed, click on it. This tells Notion that you want to embed an external tool or link. Now this is where ClickUp comes in. Go to ClickUp in another tab and open the view you want to embed. This could be a task list, board view, dashboard, or even a specific folder or space. Once it's open, copy the URL from your browser's address bar. Come back to Notion and paste the ClickUp link into the Embed field. After pasting the link, click Embed, and Notion will load your ClickUp workspace directly inside the page. Give it a moment to load, and you'll see ClickUp appear right inside Notion. You can resize the embedded window, scroll through tasks, and interact with ClickUp without leaving Notion. If you're logged into ClickUp in your browser, everything should display automatically. If not, you may be prompted to log in to authorize access. Once embedded, you can use this setup as part of a larger Notion dashboard. You can add text, headings, notes, or other databases above or below the ClickUp embed to create a fully customized productivity hub. This setup is especially useful for teams or individuals who want their tasks and documentation connected in one place. And that's it. You've successfully embedded ClickUp into Notion. If this video helped you, make sure to hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss future tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.